There is something magical about carrot cake. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a classic favorite carrot cake that is moist. In a bowl, you are to combine your eggs, vegetable oil and granulated sugar. You are to cream this until smooth. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes for a good result. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Enjoy the process. You can see the way it's looking. Now it's time to add our flour mixture. This is a combination of flour, baking powder, cinnamon powder which is optional, milk, that's if you're using powdered milk. Gently fold in until it's well combined. Now it's time to add our shredded carrots. Once you're done mixing, then you're to pour your cake batter into a greased pan. After trying out this carrot cake recipe, carrot cake will always be your number one. Trust me. If you're using an oven, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake for 40 to 45 minutes. And there you have it, homemade carrot cake that's tender, flavorful and perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a celebration or a cozy afternoon treat, carrot cake is a slice of comfort with every bite. Can you see that? This cake tasted amazing. Feel free to try out this carrot cake recipe. Do let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Bye!